Welcome back to another day of fuckery. It's probably the jankiest way to lift a transmission into a car. But your boy is a little weak today, and I can't bench press it up into there. Let's face it, I'm weak every day. But let's see how this goes. I'm just hoping that doesn't fucking rip out. Actually, you know what? I don't think. Whoops, daisies. There we go. Okay. That's frustrating. It was scary. Working?
At this point, I've basically had enough, and I've decided that I'm getting rid of the engine hoist, and I'm just going to try to get it in there with the jack and by myself. So, sit back and enjoy me struggling to try to get this transmission in all by myself, and contemplating life at the same time.
It's fucking close now.
As you can see, I did finally manage to get the transmission back into its spot, and all is well. Turns out, that really wasn't my only issue, as you can see in a later video coming up. If you like what you're watching, please like and subscribe. I was basically able to finally get the transmission in, but of course how the wiring and some of the power steering lines I had routed were now in my way. So I had to move those out of the way where I had them, and then I could finally start to drop the transmission back into its hole, which you'll see here in a second.